you have something that you can talk about and really dig deep in, start intermingling in those arenas to get your confidence level up. When you can talk really well about areas outside of your business, your personal life, that's why everyone says share your story. Because when you share your story, it's easy to share your story. It's easy for me to share my story about how I grew up and my journey in life. It's easy for me to do that. And it may be easy for you to do that. But it may be hard for you to talk about how to conduct your business, how to wear this outfit with something, or why somebody should buy this dress, or why should somebody use you as a coach. That might be hard for you to communicate, but something else might be easy. And that is the thing you want to start first, communicating when you're trying to build up your confidence.